What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in iOS 14.5 we're now able to use our PS5 DualSense controller with our iPhones. So if you ever tried to pair your PS5 controller with your iPhone and you realize it wasn't working, that's because it was not yet supported until this new beta upgrade. Yes, I just said beta. That means this software is not available for everyone. So if you want to get this feature, you'd have to upgrade to the beta program and then download the iOS 14.5 public beta whenever Apple releases it. Or you could join a developer beta program where you get all the latest betas, so you could go ahead and test things out if you're a developer or you just want to act like one like me. So it's very simple to use. You want to ensure that you're already updated, so make sure you go to settings, about. If you're on iOS 14.5, you're good to go. Now all you have to do is just grab your controller. Just like previous DualSense setup, you just want to hold the share button and the PS button until we start to see some blinking lights around the touch area, as you guys can see. Now once that's done, grab your iPhone, go into Bluetooth settings, and as you can see, we have that DualSense wireless controller option right here. Now as you can see, we have that solid blue on the PS5 DualSense, and then we know we're good to go, so we could start playing games. But that's not all. Apple went way ahead of their game with this one. So if you go into general, you could see that we have this new game controller settings where we could go in and do a bunch of different options. For example, we could go into customization and change different buttons for different actions. So we could use the L1 as a R2 or a L2 button if we want to, which is kind of cool if you want to shoot with different buttons. Also, if we go into here, we could see that we could enable screen capture and also capture video clips with the share button. We even have the luxury to add app customization. So if you have different apps that use controller, we could go in here, set customization for that app alone. So whenever we make a customization, it's not universal across every app. I know a lot of you guys will be wondering, does this work on the iPad as well? And yes, if you guys update your iPad to the latest beta version or just wait until this update comes out publicly to everyone, you'll be able to use your DualSense 5 controller with your iPad to play games as well. And finally, the last little feature I found is that we could identify a controller by using the taptic hinges to vibrate it. So as you can see, it's moving. So just in case you have 20 controllers, you don't know which one is connected to your iPhone, this is how you'd identify it. Alright guys, now that wraps it up for today's video. Don't forget, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and also share this video with your friends just in case they don't know. And man, Apple really went out with iOS 14.5. They added support for Siri, they added dual 5G support, and also the support for Face ID while wearing a mask. If you missed that video, I'll leave it down below in the description. As always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.